Hey everyone, it's the 4th of July. I have no makeup on. It's alright, I'll put my makeup on later on. Happy birthday America. Happy 4th of July. Yes, I am decked up for the holidays. I just set up the table. I know. I did not iron the tablecloth. Will survive. Okay. I can tell you my friend Mary couldn't care less. So I'm sure Mom's going to come downstairs and she's going to want to have it done. So I'm probably going to have to undo the table at some point. But anyway, I am about to put corn on the cob in a big pot of water. I have water boiling on the other side. Here's what we're doing. We're doing burgers, of course, corn on the cob, mac and cheese, salad, potato salad, apple pie, and ice cream. Probably gonna hear a lot of noise in the background. That will be my robot vacuum cleaner, the fan that's above my head, and the air conditioning. Check the corn real quick. And in the pot they go with just a little bit of salt. I'm going to do 1.5 box. Yeah, that's it. I don't know if this counts as decanting, but I do not serve out of the plastic tubs. This is potato salad. It goes in a bowl. And then back into the fridge. I'm probably going to put some chopped parsley over it to make it pretty. Salad. Summer food is the best. Alright, So I'm gonna keep some of those for the burgers. And what I'm gonna do is a plate. I'm gonna wash it, but I'm gonna put a plate with onion, tomatoes. Some needs to get washed. Okay, in the fridge it goes. Alright, my mac and cheese. Don't knock it until you try it. A stick of butter. Salt. Pepper. 1, 2, 3. Basically 3 per person. So 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Minced garlic. You can use garlic powder. Might as well finish it and it's done. Usually I put nutmeg, but I don't have any today, so we're gonna put a little bit of paprika. That's just a seasoning. Okay. 1 stick of cream cheese. Cream cheese. You have the cheese of your choice. Little by little, I do shredded cheddar. A whole family size pack. And I mix it little by little. So that I don't have clumps. Alright, that's how much cheese you want. Okay, let me get a big oven baking dish. This goes in here. See, one pack and a half will fill a lasagna pan. That's 13 inches. I'm not even done yet. Because now, Ritz crackers. Alright, add cheese on top. And Ritz crackers. That's gonna go in the oven just to bake a little bit, enough for all the cheese to melt. And what you want to do is crush your crackers. Alright, so table is done. And hello, Scott.
Hi.
He's toasting the buns. And this is for caramelized onions?
Yes.
Yum. Alright, I have the oven at 375. That's gonna go in. Corn is done. I gotta get the those dishes for the corn. Be right back. Did you put anything in your onion?
Salt, sugar, pepper, and granulated garlic.
Alright, so I have these. I'm still missing 4, so I just gave it to my mom, my guest, and Scott, and then the boys and I will manage without. I cannot find them at the thrift store, 5 scrap. I think that's how you pronounce it. I think they're awesome. Really cool. Well, there you have it. That was the 4th of July at my house. It is about 102 outdoors. So we're gonna stay tucked in. I have the AC, you probably hear it right now. Mom's exhausted. She's the heat and a heavy meal. She's like falling asleep over there. And Willie went to work. Edward's got a party. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. I've cleaned everything. It's like nothing happened. It's like it never happened. It's feeling nice. I don't know. I may edit this and post it early, or I may just do an impromptu whatnot show. Not sure. I have to think about it. But anyway, this was just me reporting on what we did for the 4th of July, having friends over. The meal was delicious. The mac and cheese, according to Edward, are like crack. He loves them. And I haven't had pie. I'll reserve that for my tea time later on, which is in about, well, the clock is over there now. Probably 2 hours. And that would be it. So thumbs up if you like this little impromptu video. Don't forget to subscribe right here in the corner and hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And find me on Facebook and Instagram at My Great Challenge. All my links are down below. I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.